and this is Ban Rak Thai. It's kind of a Chinese, it's actually a Chinese village. A lit na Chinese village because yung mga tao dito are Yunnanese from Yunnan na nag-migrate dito. It's actually the border between Myanmar and Thailand. But anyways, I'm northwest of Thailand and this is Ban Rak Thai, my final destination for today. And of course, coffee. Ay, hindi ako kita. Kadarating ko lang kanina all via Songtew. Let's go take that view over there. And ang ganda, grabe. That chasa something, it's too expensive. It's way out of my budget. So, and that one over there on the adjacent side is Lee wine something. It's kind of expensive one as well. And then another one, I see there's like a tent, igloo tent somewhere up there, but hindi ko siya nakita nung nagre-research ako na accommodation dito. Mahirap actually tingin ng accommodation dito. At first I checked on, what is that, booking, wala. Lahat na nagpapakita is sa Mae Hong Son, which is quite far from here. Nag-appear ang Lee wine, kaso we need to check on their website. Sa website naman nila, ang hirap kontakin kasi nung tumawag ako, I got their mobile number and then I called the owner, but when I asked her if she could speak English, done. It's the best place to come during this season, like February, like November, December, January, winter season, best siyang pumunta. Tapos kausap ko yung may-ari kanina, sabi niya sa Chinese New Year, it's going to be absolutely stunning. Nagyaya nga siya, balik daw ako ng January, pero let's see because walang holidays sa January. So yan, pahirapan nga lang pagpunta dito. Yan. O diba, solo trip na naman. Mag-chill muna ako. I want to drink my coffee and then take a shower before I go maglakad-lakad doon mamaya. I may not have the expensive guest house, but I have the most expensive view here. Kasi yan, diba? Just in front of my guest house. Looks like I'm too... Alright. So we're heading out. Ang outfit natin. Oh my god. It's just so quiet. Ang ganda, ang ganda. Oh my goodness. I can go that way. Or maybe I'll go this way. I'll go this way na lang since it's the first direction that I'm heading to. So I'm heading now. Hey! Paika! I'll see if I could get a good time lapse. However, that's the place where I'm going and it's just the sunset is over there. Hopefully there will be a good shade of the sky later. I brought my coat na. Hopefully the Lee wine's still open para makatake ng konting picture, and I'm using the GoPro. I have my vlogging camera here. Gagamitin ko siya for picture taking later kasi wala tayong photographer. It's going to be a manual photo shoot na naman tayo. Ang sarap maglakad-lakad kasi it's chilly, it's malamig. I think it's just only 25 or 21 degrees Celsius siya ngayon. Look at this. It's so fancy. I love this. If manggagaling kayo ng Chiang Mai, from Chiang Mai you can take a minivan to Mae Hong Son, and then from Mae Hong Son, kung saan kayo ibababa, andun din lang yung Songtew papunta dito. I'm going to stay here for 2 days. First, I just arrived a while ago anyway, so I have 2 full days. I just wanted to chill, like really feel the coldness here. Ang ganda niya. Oh, they have tents over there. See, you can do your tents. And it's the best view kasi andun yung, it's a luxurious homestay, a guest house, but you have that priceless view. I wish I could rent a motorcycle here para mas mabilis siya. But anyways, like what I was saying a while ago, pagpunta nyo ng Mae Hong Son, di ba may Songtew, and 2 hours to here, 150 baht, pero yung accommodation lang dito is mahal. Expected kasi you're going to pay for the place not actually the hotel, except you're going to stay over there, which would cost you 2,000 to 3,000 up, I thought. But where I'm staying is the 1,200. It's an aircon room, though I'm not going to use the aircon. But yeah, I just took it anyway, so yes. Let's try the peach with a 12% alcohol. There are only 3. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Sa aming mga igrot, it tastes like tapoy. 12% pero malakas yung alcohol niya sa gastroenteritis ko. I don't like that. Which is the best one? Plum dry? Okay, let me try. Second try of our wine tasting is the dry plum. It's not as strong as the peach one. It's 12%, but it's sour. No. This one compared to the peach, I prefer the peach one. Last. It feels like I'm drinking pineapple juice, and it's 10% alcohol. Nakabalik na ako sa aking room. Kanina kasi ayun na naman, na-run out of battery na naman itong camera, kaya hindi ko na film yung aking dinner. Simple lang naman yung kinain ko kanina. And since we are here, then we have to eat their food. I had a khao soi Yunnan, which is different from the khao soi, Thai khao soi that I used to have in Mae Sa. I'm going to go to the rooftop and, well, it's going to be a me time. Good thing about this guest house, it has a rooftop, so I'm gonna go there and do my thing while just looking at the scenery. We own the place! Oh my god! Look at that view! Hi! That's it all for today, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Sawadee ka! Cheers! Done with my coffee. I thought I'm gonna have my coffee somewhere more beautiful, but this is another coffee shop. Maybe I'll drop by later. But then, oh, I think I could go. Ang dami kasing tao, nakakahiya. Mama Tea Espresso. Maybe I'll get back there later. It's where you're going to rent that boat for 280 baht. I'm not gonna do that. I'm fine. I am going up there. I think it's open. The Chasa something. Lobat ng aking camera. At ito ang lunch ko. It's Yunnan egg noodle soup. Ah, smells so good. I'm gonna tell you the taste later. At ako'y kakain muna. A late lunch with that view. Wow. Recharge, freshen up, at nakapag-lipstick na ulit. I'm back kasi pupunta na ulit ako doon sa side na yun. Who amongst you who travels like in this place? I could have done it like for a half day. I could have left in the morning, but I am the kind of a traveler that any corner I wish I could go. That's why I'm heading up that way. Ayoko kasi yung nagra-rush na pupunta ka lang, take a picture, done. I haven't even, you have to feel, I mean, for me, I have to feel the place. I have to inhale the air and then at least be enculturated of what is this place all about. And damning things na you could discover, you could learn or see the beauty of this. Not only that castle over there, this lake over here, taste the coffee, taste their food, inhale their air, sleep with them all night. Yung mga tipong ganun na traveling at the same time, discovering din. Ayoko kasi yung, okay, I got a shot of this and done. I'm not satisfied of that. Gusto ko pa nga another day or 3. But then the accommodation is too expensive for me. Well, we're on a solo budget, so yes. Ganun lang naman ako sa pag-travel. So I take time. If this could have done for a day, no. I'm really, really grateful that I am able to do it solo again. Kasi nung pumunta kami dito with friends, it's not that beautiful as this one. It's not as stunning as this before. So it was just a short break here anyway. So, asan na yung that white over there? That white over there is my hotel. And then heading out to the guest side. Yesterday I passed and then the morning I passed that way. Now here on this side naman para makita lahat natin, madaanan lahat natin yung mga ways papunta doon, papunta dito, diba? Such beauty. Mag-picture nga ako dito na naman. Ayoko na. So much picture with it. Ang dami palang mga guest house din dito. Problema kasi dito, wala nga siya, di ba, sa booking, sabi ko. So, I'm gonna make it easier for you guys. I've got the informations from some of the guest houses. I'm gonna include them in the roll sa mga pictures or in the description box. Para na naman easier for you when you get here. Diba? Oh, that's just so beautiful. Let's have a picture of that. Ang magandang pagstayan, but I think, well, it goes with fanciness and the price. Tinatamad akong umakyat, and I think it's not that possible to go since I'm not a guest anyway. Oh my god, I love the weather. I just love it. So chilly. Oh, most of the time sa pag-travel ko, lahat kinakain ng videos at saka taking picture. Oh, hindi siya masyadong malayo. See, I'm here already. Lapit na. Lapit na. I love, love, love the weather. Parang Baguio feels lang. It's just that they don't have the pine tree. Ito yung nasa Lazada na pagkamahal-mahal. Gusto ko dito mag picture. Gotta take my own picture nga ulit. Background ito, 'di ba? Maganda siya.